I'm just starting out on Amazon and I'm very scared, especially on the Amazon PPC side. I'm with you, I hear you. What are the most common mistakes I could make on Amazon PPC without realizing it? Most common mistakes is not having inventory, having too much inventory, advertising for irrelevant search terms, hoping that it's going to convert, not accounting how much budget it's going to cost you to advertise for your product, hoping that a product that has low rating or lower rating is still going to convert amazingly, unless they're looking for your brand name, probably you're going to convert. But if you're looking for specific search terms that are highly relevant to your product, but they're like higher search volume search terms, what we're seeing is products under 4-star ratings are not going to convert as well as products over 4 stars. What other mistakes am I seeing? Not having a system in place. This is really important. Take note. Have a good system in place that is going to allow you to monitor your ads on a daily basis. Open up a Google Calendar and you're going to just track down when are you going to do certain actions, when are you going to optimize your bids, when are you going to create new campaigns, when are you going to look back and see what worked, what did not, and then have a quick journal on a daily basis. If you're logging in on a daily basis, what happened on your account. This way, I made you lots and lots of money by you taking note and avoiding this mistake. These are the mistakes that most of the time we are seeing. That's why I'm saying there are also others, but these are the ones that are really the 20% that's going to help your business.